Okay, so recording has been started. So this is class 18, and in this video we are going to see order by clause in SQL. All right. So what is order by? As per name suggests, order by is to sort the things, right? Sort the things means to arrange the things, arrange things or records, arrange records, arrange records in some order. What do you mean by order? Means either it is ascending or descending. Okay. Okay. What is ascending? So suppose you have 10, 9, 16, 4, 7, 20. Okay. So what will be your ascending order? Ascending order will from small to large. Means 4, 7, 9, 10, 16 and 20. Okay. Okay. What will be your descending order? Descending order will be uh, from large to small. Okay. So 20, 16, 10, 9, 7 and 4. Okay. So this is something like ascending and descending, whatever uh, you can um, you can refer. Okay. So let me uh, let me take one example of this customer table. Okay. Okay. So customer table is like numerical record. Okay. So now in medical shop database, I have the customer table which is of integer data type. Okay. And this is of number. Okay. Number data type. Let us first see on number column data type. Okay. Okay. So order by works on both. Order by works on both integer and string columns. Okay. On both we can work. Integer, it will be for integer. For integer it will sort from 0 to 9 in ascending and 9 to 0. Okay. Like that. Sorry, 0 to sorry sorry you get how integer you will sort out, right? Based on integer it will sort based on 0 to 9. Okay. And in from string, and in the case of string it will sort from a to z or a to z, small a to z, whatever it is. Okay. Whatever it is, a to z. Okay. So this is the case. So let me tell you the customer table example. What I'm going to tell, I'm going to sort, I'm going to order the the records by customer mobile. Means the smallest will be at the top and the largest will be at the bottom. So what will I do? I will just provide, after select star from, I will just provide order by customer mobile, and that's it. Okay. If you want, you can pass ASC keyword in ascending if you are ascending, uh, if you are doing ascending kind of things. All right. So just run it, and so you can see null value have precedence at the first. Okay. After that 0, after that 125, then 135, then 235, then 1234, and so on, and last is 12345. Did you get that? Did you get that? Am I able to hear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now if you won't pass ASC, by default it will it will do the same thing of ascending. By default it is ascending. By default, by default order maintains ascending kind of things, ascending. ठीक है, right? Ascending order. All right. So once you if you it doesn't matter if you provide ASC or not, right? If you are not providing ASC, it will still consider the ASC, ascending order. ASC means ascending order. Okay,
How, sir?
ASC means ascending order. It
Yes,
will,
sir. Before mentioning, how can it take the thing,
because you
sir?
are providing by the use of order by keyword.
Okay, okay,
If
okay.
you are providing order by, see, if you are providing select a star from, it will not take, right? It will randomly arrange the things. Okay, but if you provide order by clause, so by default it will take ASC. And if you provide ASC, then it is okay, then it's okay. Otherwise, if you're not providing ASC, then it is also okay. It will by default take ascending order as your order input. Okay, okay. So for now I'm providing ASC. Okay, I'm providing ASC. Okay, now suppose you want to arrange it from large to small. So in descending order, what will you pass? You will pass DESC. Okay, same thing, but DESC. This is not default, right? You have to pass if you want to sort it from large to small. Okay, so now you can see 1 2 3 4 5 is at the top, 4 5 4 double 1 is after that, and so on, and last is null, right? Large to small. Okay, so descending is large to small. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this this will take two class. Order by clause will take two class if you want, or I can finish it in this class only, but I want it to have two classes, because but let me finish in this class only, so that I will start limit in the other class. Okay, so now um let me do it with customer name. Okay, okay. So you want customer name which starts with ABCD. Okay, so cust name. Okay, and ascending order, I'm not passing anything, then it will sort automatically by ascending order. So you will see null at the top, and after that a Alice will come, then Charles will come. Okay, or person name B, if it is Bob will come, then Charles will come. Okay, so like that. So you can see null value is there, blank record is there. Okay, so character with a special character will have the precedence first, and after that it will allow Alice which starts with A, and then with Bob which starts with B, and then C, and so on. C D E F G H, you can see, and so on. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is the thing. So suppose I want only the column cust name. Okay, cust name, cust ID, and cust mobile. Cust. Okay, cust mobile. So, and I say I don't want cust address. Okay, I'm writing, I'm telling you so that it will be more useful. For that you will get more clearance. Okay, let me have one class more for of order by. Okay, something things will be explained in the next class, because it is a heavy somewhat heavy concept. Okay, though it is an easy concept, but complex part is something tricky. Okay, so now if you run it. Okay, let me see. What is there? Am I doing something wrong? Let me run it. Cust medicine. Okay, cust medicine. Cust add cust mob mobile. Okay, mobile. Now see, I am arranging it by cust name. Okay, so in case if you are if you don't remember the, if you are not willing to provide the column name every time, okay, right, you don't want to type, okay, you don't want to type this one, so what you can do, you can just provide the position of that column in the order by clause. So what position it occurs? 1, 2. Okay, so you want to order it by name, cust name, so you just pass order by 2. Okay, so now when you run it, you can see still it is sorted. Suppose you want to order it by cust mobile, just pass it order 3. You can do select star as well, right? But to make you understand, I have written this. Okay, so now you can see the cust mobile has been arranged. So in this way as well, you can sort things out. Suppose you want to descend the things, you just apply this one. Okay, so in this way you can sort it out. Did you get that? So
Yes, sir.
today I have explained you, in this class I have explained you the introduction about order by. More thing I will explain uh, in the next class, when you will sort multiple columns. Okay, yet I have still till now I have explained you um, about single columns. Okay, so once you, I will give you homework, and once you are able to do the homework correctly, so after that I will proceed to order sort the things by multiple columns. Then we will see the scenarios, different scenarios, and then we will we will proceed for limit clause in that class only. Okay, in the next class only. Okay, so next class will be order by part 2 plus limit clause. Okay, so the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification, and do comment if you like. Thank you so much.